Welcome to URK Creators, a quick tutorial on how you can group elements together in Canva. As you can see here, I am in my Canva dashboard now, and I'm going to quickly create new design to show you how to group those elements together. Create a design, custom dimension. So here now I have a blank design. So let's see, I'm selecting a background. Now I'm here to see some elements and I'm going to add a couple of elements here. So now let's see, you would like to group 2 or 3 elements together. Maybe it makes sense for you that you can move them all together very easily. So maybe have a lot of elements in your project, so it can be nice if we can group few things together. So to do that, this is actually very simple to choose all the elements that would you like to have a group. Just hold the left mouse path and then select the elements. Then let's go the mouse left button and now click here on group, and those elements will group together. And now once you're going to select one of these elements, here the whole group will be selected immediately and you can move them together. You can change the size here. Whatever size you gonna choose, it's gonna be automatically applied to all the different elements in the group. If you are going to create new page, for example, and you can also drag and drop to the new page and it will still be grouped as before. And other thing, you can do it like you can press Alt key and then move to group and you will end up with duplicate of that group. So now you have 2 groups basically. That was basics of grouping elements together in Canva. To ungroup, you can click on group here. You just go to ungroup and now all the elements will be clickable separately again. So if you did enjoy this video, I will be happy if you subscribe my channel.